Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on video calling feature in your Infinix smartphone, how you can directly call through the settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone app, click on the settings option, and here you can see career features. Click on it, go to the sim, and here it is turn on video call. If you have disabled this, just turn on this and you can see press back, and when you just dial, there is a video call option. Here you can see, click on it and dial a number, you can see, and here you have to just click on the video call option and it will send a video call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.